guys, and welcome back to Beauty Now's YouTube channel. My name is Bianca, and today we're going to be talking about Delina by Parfums de Marly. The name of this brand is inspired by Chateau de Marly, the residence of King Louis XV. The 18th century is known as the golden age of perfumery, with King Louis XV being famed for having led the perfumed court. Delina is a renowned fragrance in the luxury perfume market. It is often celebrated for its unique mix of scents, mixing floral and fruity notes with a sophisticated and modern twist. The box is designed to be both sturdy and luxurious, offering protection to the fragrance while also being a beautiful display piece. It typically features branding elements consistent with Parfums de Marly's image, such as logo and specific color schemes that match the bottle inside. Delina's bottle design exudes elegance and class. Each fragrance from this house is represented by a signature color, with pink being the choice for Delina. High-end materials with a refined finish were used for this bottle, which gives it a real premium feel. This perfume stands out in the luxury perfume market due to its unique mix of floral, fruity, and woody notes. The top notes of this fragrance are lychee, rhubarb, bergamot, and nutmeg. The middle notes are Turkish rose, peony, musk, petalia, and vanilla. And the base notes are cashmeran, incense, cedar, and Haitian vetiver. This perfume has great longevity, lasting through the entire day with a community rating of 8.6 out of 10. In terms of sillage, Delina scores an 8.3 out of 10. Delina is a versatile fragrance with rich and elegant notes that make it perfect for evening events, formal outings, or romantic encounters. The perfume community has raved about this fragrance. Some have said that the compliments don't get any better than when they wear this fragrance, while others consider it a modern aroma chemistry with rose. If you're wondering where you can get this fragrance, you can shop this beauty at a special price on beautynow.com, as well as discover over 150 niche perfume brands. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video, as well as follow us on Instagram and TikTok at BeautyNowNL. Have you ever tried a fragrance from Parfums de Marly? What did you think about it? Tell us down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and discovered a new fragrance that you might love. See you next week with a brand new product review. Bye!